Greetings everyone, it's Kane here. Welcome to my video. Just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the clouds look today. It's an absolutely remarkable day here in Colorado. But I wanted to make this video to show you how fascinating life is. So I was eating lunch out here and I threw a couple potatoes on the floor. And nothing goes to waste. Look at all the little ants. They're all just grubbing on the potatoes. I've always had a thing for social insects such as ants, bees, termites, wasps, hornets. They've always fascinated me, but isn't that crazy? As soon as you know it, they'll eat all these potatoes. I don't know, this is probably nothing exciting to you guys. Look at that, all in the little line. So in case you step, you don't step on them. They know what they're doing. And they go all the way to there. There's their ant hole. It's just fascinating to me. Thought I'd share it with you guys. So, if you ever feel like you're overeating, if you ever feel like you're just overeating and, you know, you want to control yourself, have self-control, throw it out your car window, the ants will thank you. Bunnies, rats, mice, what have you, something will eat it and be very grateful. All right, everyone, that's pretty much all I got for today's video. Hopefully it focused. Just thought I'd share it with you. Thanks for watching.